Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we show you tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to create a resume. So first and foremost, you want to go to Word, or you can also go to Google Word, and you want to select a template. Now normally I wouldn't no one has to do it, but if you select a template, it's much easier, as well as it shows a sort of sophistication which would otherwise be lacking. Now, you want to select any of the template. Now, I don't like any of the resume templates over here, so I'm going to do explore all templates. From here, I want to select the type of resume template I want. Now, geometric resume, Swiss, I guess we want something geometric. Now, these are premium. You gotta remember, if you see the diamond on top, those are premium, so you can't get those. But other than those, you can pretty much get everything else. Now, apparently, geometric is also premium, so we won't be getting this either. I guess we'll just have to make do with one of the free resumes. I guess I like this the most, so I'm just gonna use this. You just have to click on it once and it should create the file for you. Now, there's 8 or 7 key main things about your resume. First and foremost, your name and your last name. Secondly, you've got to include your contact information. Now, why is contact information important? Because if they read your resume and they want to take an interview of you, they need to contact you in one way or the other. Hence, you need to really put in your contact information. Now, you want to add a resume summary or objective. After that, you want to list some of your soft and hard skills. You want to also list your professional history with some keywords such as sales or IT departments. You want to input some key words that will make the person who's reviewing your resume, that would make them want to take an interview of you. Now, you want to put in your education, obviously, because they want to know your background, your educational background. And this is not that important. For some jobs it will be important. For example, if I want to apply for sales, you'll really need to put in your communication. And if you want to apply for a job that requires you to be a leadership, that requires you to have some sort of leadership, you want to put in information about why you think you're going to be a good leader. And if you have experiences from previous jobs, you're going to put them here. And you also want to make sure that you put in some references, some numbers, or the companies that you previously worked in. If you have a good relationship with them, tell them that you're gonna put them as your reference. And if this company, the company you're sending your resume to, wants to take an interview but wants a little bit more background check on you, they can call up and they can get some reference from your previous job to know what type of a person you are, / your working capabilities and all that. So it's as simple as that. Honestly, that's all you need for a resume. You can go in more advanced, but we're not going that deep. We just want a brief resume that's gonna help us get a job. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more videos. So, and with that, bye bye.